There's a bit of a rattlesnake.
Again, you have a minute. And so far, the record has been 5 in a minute. Ready, set, go. Oh. Oh. And we are 13 seconds in. Oh, looks like Loper. Oh, it looks like Clay and Loper are off to a quick lead. Loper is on fire. He's got the yellow. There's something going on with that yellow Balero. 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. And Ty, oh, Ty, so close. And it looks like Mr. Catterson's still trying to get his first one.
Oh, that's like my 5th one.
Your 5th one? Oh, my gosh. 15 seconds. If you flip a Balero when the timer goes off, you will be DQ'd. 3, 2, 1. Oh, so close. That's a different. Oh, you got the pinky up. I saw the pinky up. That's spoiled. Get a success. Oh, I'd love to get this one. Like 1,000 points. Hey guys, make sure you're recording results. I got results on that board, results on this board, results on that board, and that one. Okay, in about 10 minutes we're gonna have a competition. Okay, this is that, this is that, this is that. I don't know why I'm saying this is that, but this is that one. That first one was a practice round. You have 60 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Catterson's off to a quick lead. Catterson's off to a Loper. Oh no, Clay has caught him. Catterson's still trying to fight, and Clay is off. He's leading up. Okay, Seth is working, and Ty is still struggling. And Miss, get that Balero. You got the biggest Balero. Get that, Sanchez. And she has got to get more than 0. 0 is going to be the number to beat. Of course, with the 1 in front. Keep it up. Clay is still flying. Look at Loper catching him. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Catterson, you can do it. Stop flipping your hair, Giselle. Just flip the Balero. 20 seconds. Look at the focus on their faces. The diligence. Giselle has been paused for 10 seconds trying to get her second one. And she was unsuccessful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many did you get?
14.
Oh my gosh. How many did you get?
11.
Ouch. How many?
16.
16! Oh! How many did you get?
9.
Oh. How many did you get? You probably flipped your hair more times you flipped the Balero. How many did you get?
0.
It's okay, you're still a trooper. And the winner is? Oh, the president of the United Geometry Honors Class of 2013. Oh, this is worth 1,000 points.